And Mr. Speaker, as I mentioned, I want to just share a brief message about what we have accomplished this last year. House Republicans have turned a season of dread as tax season approaches into a season of historic relief. Tax season is officially underway, and this year, 91% of all taxpayers will experience an easier, more simplified filing process. We locked in the double standard deduction, and not only at the rate that the Republicans established in 2017, we actually boosted it for this new approach, and it is now considered permanent policy, meaning that families will pay no taxes on the first $31,500 of what they make. It will also save Americans an estimated 210 million hours per year in paperwork and $13 billion in compliance costs annually. We talk all the time about simplifying the tax code. Everybody talks about it, and we've done it. Since 2017, we decided to double the standard deduction. That immediately targets middle and lower income Americans that choose not to itemize. Itemize is still an option you can do if you have multiple different types of elements that you can deduct from your taxes. You can still choose to do that. But the vast majority of Americans, working Americans, every single day Americans, they file a double, they use the standard deduction. And that is real tax relief. It goes unsaid a lot. It's such a standard piece. Nobody truly disagrees with it. Nobody, meaning both parties. It's something that we have now established as the norm, and it will give immediate relief to the vast majority of American families. Because of this historic tax cuts, because they're retroactive to 2025, the average refund is projected to increase by $1,000 and with a total of $91 billion in additional refunds being returned to the American people this spring. We also repealed the Democrats' $600 reporting requirements for payments through PayPal or Venmo and requirements for paperwork reporting of small payments to casual sellers and service providers. Again, with an effort to simplify the tax code, make it work for American families, and be able to have more of what they earn. We'll get to more of that. Filing taxes is a pain point, as we all know that, for most people, and because of both the amount and the process. We've simplified it to improve the experience for filers and increase accountability for lawmakers deciding where those funds are allocated. Working families were our top priority in these tax cuts. We wanted to help them achieve the American dream, make life more affordable, and make filing taxes less of a burden. This year, Utah families will be able to keep more of their hard-earned money through the increased standard deduction and face less burdensome paperwork. It's very simple, and Republicans have created a tax code that simply works for American families. This is something that doesn't work against them, as so oftentimes things from Washington, D.C. do. I am proud to be a part of delivering this win for Utahns. And with that, Mr. Speaker, I yield back the balance of my time.